Hi guys. I was at the bathroom earlier, and my mom has told me to come out. So I came out, and she went outside to hand me this package, and I don't know what it is. I actually don't know what it is. So we're just opening it now. She's so excited for it. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on now. Oh. Mom! Wait, what?
Now you're excited.
Why were you excited?
Because I am excited for you.
I can't wait. I love this.
Here.
How do I open this thing?
Here.
Yeah, open it like that. Ooh, that's better.
Oh.
Who did the Mikey?
That's Mikey.
Let me see. He's playing the piano.
Mikey, you're playing piano?
Mikey played the piano. Okay. I can't wait. No. It's handmade.
Here.
Oh, I see it.
Here.
I see it, Mom. When you knocked on the bathroom door, you sounded like Chihuahua.
Swadika.
What the? Oh, no way! Unboxing something I've waited for like a lot of days, weeks. Have a little pink knife. A pink hammer. Oh, let Mikey out earlier. Yeah, he came back in. So pink bubble wrap. I want to see. What did you buy? My mom bought it, but I begged her to do it. What's it? Huh? Oh, Fufusquishy, the little ones. What is this one?
Probably the bracelet and whatever that is.
They did not send us. What's it? Wait, oh, did they? Because they got me fuzz. Got a little package. Yeah, they actually did send a bracelet. What else is here?
And this one too.
Oh yeah, do it in the video, like stickers.
Squishies.
This is the instructions.
Okay, one that's squishy. Like the squishy. Wait, where's the squishy?
We have to like scoop it out of this thing.
Oh yeah.
You know those?
I saw it with an ad. And I like it.
Hold on.
We got another bag. Oh, these are like Tabba squishy ones.
Wait, I will say.
These are like Tabba squishies.
Oh yeah, we have to put it in there and then
Ito,
squish it.
Wala.
Or whatever.
Mom, we need a bowl of water. I'm doing it now, Mom.
Hi, Kira.
I'm getting a bowl of water. That's what you do.
Oh.
Like normal video.
Yeah, I saw that.
Here.
Wait, did you not record that whole thing? Mom, did you not record that whole thing? Then why was it not? I put under it.
Oh. I want that thing.
I have a Rubik's Cube one. This the Rubik's Cube one. So excited. Don't pause it, Mom. Keep it going. Keep it.
Oh my god. I want to touch it. Oh. It's just hot. that water?
It's gonna take forever.
No, it's not.
Did you read the instructions?
Well, I know how to do it.
Yeah, because she saw it before, right?
Yep.
Where's your sticker?
Hey!
There's probably gonna be a big thing or small.
No, it has to be small, I think.
Yeah, probably.
Chisel. I'm chiseling it off.
Yeah, it feels like sand.
Guys, if you want to have this, just go on Amazon and search up Fufusquishy.
But my mom and my dad actually saved money for the apartment thing, so we can't buy it.
Oh, quick spattering.
It's being everywhere. Water.
I like the pink miniature one.
Right now, what you doing here?
She's wandering around, that's what she's doing.
No.
She's doing a little cat.
She's not little, by the way.
She's little to me.
There's, is that sand? White? Is that white sand?
No, it's not sand, Cheetah. I don't know what it is.
But it feels like sand.
Okay, let's switch other side now. Ugh, I should have put on gloves. Okay, how do I do this? Oh,
You said you know how to do it.
okay. Yeah, it's hard though. Okay, I think I need to
Put
dip it
more
in.
water. Put more water
And
on
how do you
it.
put a nail though, Mom?
Oh.
Mom, you just did the whole thing without us doing it. Don't.
I won't touch it.
No. I want to break the whole thing though. You shouldn't
You
have.
do like I did.
Okay. There might be more.
Yeah, there might be more.
Sometimes there's more.
Yeah, but sometimes they only have one.
What's in that capsule?
What?
I can't do it. I'm not gonna do that. Ooh, there's a big one though.
You think you have more?
Yeah, I think there's more.
Can I do it? So it's faster, or you want to do it?
I want to do it because I want to do it.
Okay.
You want to do it because you want to do it.
Yep. Exactly, Cheetah. You get me.
There's more. You're right, Emily. There's more.
Yeah, I told you. That's why we didn't stop.
I feel like that's going to be so hard.
I felt like there's gonna be more because why would there only be one in like a little in a big thing?
Yeah.
So I knew there was gonna be more.
I think there's going to be 3 in there.
No, I think there's only gonna be 2.
You almost said 1.
There can't only be 1 because we already see this one, and they're here.
You need my help?
No, I want to see the view. I want the viewers to see it. Even though watch. This is for future me. Oh, we did it. See, guys, another one.
Get that thing out.
I'm trying, alright. Ugh.
Wow, get out that.
Here, I'll switch it.
Oh, I got on you.
I knew it was gonna be more. That's why we didn't stop.
Wow, get out that thing. You
We're
stick to
top.
it.
It's attached, not attached.
Ooh.
Oof. This is a Rubik's cube.
Why are you attached to it?
He doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to be in the overworld.
Yeah, he's not like this
Oh, God.
one. Emily.
Like there's a cement on the floor now.
Look at the
You're
middle of
breaking-
the napkin, We might have to wash our hand in here. Yep, I wash my hands.
I like dust. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm gonna dip it again. So it's easier. Okay, I dipped it again. The ball's kinda out.
Coming out.
Kinda out. Oh, this
Put
is
more water
easy.
on it. Put
No,
more
girl.
water on it.
It's already so easy, see? Oh, it's like wet cement.
Yeah.
Mom, someone Someone texted you. It's
Girls trip.
yeah, that person.
I know who girls.
I think it's a
Yes.
group chat.
Yeah, probably. Probably her group chat about her friends like
Oh, I got
like
it.
Wawa
I got it.
and Nick and Pio.
No, her pickleball friends.
Yeah.
Oh.
You got some on me. Oh my god. Ooh, squishy. Oh, it's Hello Kitty. Well, actually, yay, it's Hello Kitty.
Wash my hands more.
Yeah, me too. Ow. Ah.
Are you done? Can
No.
I throw that away?
Yeah, so.
Hold on.
Not this.
We got grab the ball. Are
What
you
do we
open?
do with the
Not yet.
balls?
Okay, throw this away. Yep.
Don't throw the balls away.
Give me the ball.
Why do you have stickers?
Oh. This capsule. Can you open this one too? I'm so excited. What is this?
It's very small.
Oh, it's like one of those candies, you know.
Yes. One time I eat it.
Okay. Yeah.
No, not the squishy, the candy.
Yeah, I know.
And
Oh,
cute. Little cube. Wait, I think that's strawberry. I think it's like a strawberry flavor.
Girl, don't eat it.
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm just gonna squish
Oh.
it.
Okay, we need this fuzz. You know what, Cheetah?
No. Oh, I know.
Okay, give me a little
So-
thing. A little thing.
What little thing?
We need a little dang.
Lettuce. Lettuce. I'm so excited.
Me too. Okay, why can't I open this guy?
Wait,
Can't I open it?
wait. I think I know how to open
Oh,
it.
okay, I got it.
It looks like fur.
It's like a fuzz that you're supposed to put the little squishies in.
Yeah. And when they saw other person did it,
They got a lot.
It looked like sugar.
It was a lot, too.
Yeah.
It was like in a big bowl.
Yeah, it looked like sugar.
It did not look like sugar, Cheetah.
No, and the ad.
There's no ads.
What?
There's no ads.
Yeah, well, when I saw the person did it, that thing looked like
is that?
sugar. but
It's a thing
fur.
that you're supposed to put this in.
See, it's thick. And what?
Oh.
I want to touch it.
You dipped it. I was
It
the
feels
extra
like
fur off.
cat fur.
It does. Mikey!
Hey.
I don't.
I want
Okay, fine. You
to
can
do
do
it.
that one. Boop, boop.
I'm gonna put more.
No, Cheetah, that's enough.
Do you have to open this one too?
What's
Yeah,
that?
wait, I got a little bit more.
There's a little bit more. I feel like I'm gonna sleep.
Oh my god, I love it.
I love this one and this one.
I like this one the most. This one's just like a little
What is
gumdrop.
this?
I want to eat it.
Don't do it. Oh, you also have to like strap this on too. Okay, first, before we do that, I have another thing.
What's that?
Wait, the wrong one. That one's already
What's
open.
that?
Oh, here.
What's that?
Mom,
I open it. Here.
Mom,
This is it.
why'd you open it?
Because I want to know what's inside. Here.
You spoiled it.
Here.
Yeah, you spoiled it.
You spoiled it.
I
for
can
us.
buy
Why
10
is-
more if you don't
Oh,
want
wait,
to.
I want to do this one.
Okay.
Is there 10? Do I have to put water in it?
Yeah, before you do everything.
I'll try to put it.
Wait, okay, let's swap.
Okay. Oh my god.
Got it.
My first
Got it.
touching it.
Here. Here.
Ow! I got my hand. Thank you.
I already got it.
Come
I already got it.
Oh, you actually did?
Yeah, it's in the middle.
Uh,
Come on. It's so tiny.
I can feel it.
It's so tiny.
goodness.
It's so tiny.
Oh my god.
It's so tiny.
This,
Okay.
this thing's too small. Can I have a knife now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wait, what's on the middle?
It's like a little squishy.
Oh.
I
Where is it? Where's the
I think-
squishy?
Right here.
Oh, it's very tiny.
No way. You gotta put it in the fur though. For sure. Oh, oh, oh. It's so tiny. Why is it so tiny, man?
Bro, it's so tiny. Where's it?
It's so there now.
It's right here.
Hmm.
Why does it have no color?
I know.
I feel
You
like
gotta drop that one.
Why is this one so hard?
I know. But the knife is kind of hard, kind of.
I like the knife.
I don't like the knife. I also like the knife.
Does not have the knife.
No. How about we take turns about the thing? Okay, I'm gonna put more water. Bro.
This is doing nothing. It's doing nothing.
This is also doing nothing. I can't even open it.
Ugh.
You're doing the second one?
Yeah, it's my second.
And this
Oh,
is my
the-
first.
This one's off.
Save one for me too. Yep. I didn't have
Here's
it.
the- Thank you.
Oh. Like,
Why does this thing do nothing now?
why is this thing so hard?
Yeah, they're both so hard. Maybe.
Maybe if we put more water and put it in the water.
Ah! Broke myself, and I broke it too. I broke it.
And
You know what? You know what? You know what? Putting out the big gun.
I'm getting the bigger one. Yes, this.
Water. I forgot to put water on it. That's why.
Oh, no. I put more water.
I forgot to put this in water. That's why it was hard.
Bro,
Okay.
this thing's easy with the big one. This is my first time doing it.
Wait, Cheetah, can I have that real quick? Just real quick. Can I have that real quick? Gotta do something.
Oh, I want this pink one. Oh, it's the same thing. Can I have that?
Wait.
Oh, you're gonna do that, girl. And I think it's not gonna work.
Oh, it made a dent. Ah.
Okay.
Wait. Not working.
You done?
No,
No.
this one's impossible.
The small one's impossible.
Can I have my phone?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye. Ah.